A lot of spots around our area, you've got to lock in daycare before your baby is born. And now a new D.C. law could make those open spots for kids even harder to find.
That law requires daycare workers to get a university education, as if childcare wasn't expensive enough, and that could push those daycare center fees even higher. Here's Sarah Consmo.
Childcare experts in the district say it's a great idea in theory.
Progressive. Yeah, I thought it was ambitious.
DC's smallest learners will soon be the first in the country to have teachers who are required to have university degrees. Elizabeth Groginski says scientific research shows the impact is lifelong.
The developmental opportunities and those early opportunities that they have really set the foundation for their potential success long term.
The change means that at a minimum, anyone working in a daycare will have to have a CDA, a Child Development Associate's credential. But most teachers will be required to get an associate's degree. They have until 2020 to get that.
I think the challenge will be funding, because you're asking people who don't make a lot of money to finance their education.
There are scholarships available, but there may not be enough to go around. And once childcare workers get that higher education, they might expect a higher salary to go with it. The cost of getting those credentials now bottom out the list for future earnings, and DC parents are already paying some of the highest costs in the country.
If we don't pay childcare workers more, they're not going to stay with or without an associate degree.
Valora Washington says there are about 4,000 daycare workers in the district.
I would say more than half don't have an associate degree at this time.
For parents, it's hard to put a value on care.
I guess the question is how much. We're already paying a lot, and it's obviously a substantial burden.
In Northwest DC, Sarah Consmo, WUSA 9.